The magic of travel is in my family's blood. From the days when my dad flew people on the first Arctic tours in Alaska and started the first city tours in Fairbanks, we've come a long way. But one thing hasn't changed. For almost 60 years, our family has had a vision. We believe that the world is worth experiencing, and we believe that travel should be more, much more. Our ships are small. Destinations are unique. At Cruise West, we believe that the real value of travel is the connection you make with people, with places, and with yourself.
We haven't seen any other ships anywhere, and that's really exciting because you sort of feel like you really are getting to be an explorer.
I've had one wonderful time, a real ball. Each day is new adventure, and I just like it.
We've got to see more than I expected, up close, much more close than I expected, and it's been easy. It's been so easy to have been on this adventure.
So having a naturalist on board really is one of the things that made the cruise, because we knew we would have some people on board who could really identify what we're seeing in the distance and be able to point out exactly what to look for.
These naturalists were able to tell us all of the things that we were here to learn. Bears all around us, and even swimming across in front of the Zodiacs, and we were up within a matter of a few feet of those bears. It was just absolutely thrilling and beautiful.
We just simply are closer to the water, where you can see things a lot better.
You had the feeling that the driver knew exactly what he was going to do, and I felt very safe.
It's been easy to get on and get off and have this experience. When we do see something like a whale, we can stop, we can turn around, go back, take a closer look. So the passengers really can have something to say about things. If we want to see wildlife, we have that opportunity.
The snow, the ice, the animals, it's the way I think God intended for it to look. Incredible.
Come aboard and let us show you the world, Cruise West style.